Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore deleted photos from your iCloud using alt data. First, let's head to our browser and then search for alt data. And then we click on the link here. I'll leave the link to this software in the video description. Now click on free download and it should start downloading. So this should help us recover deleted photos and videos on our iCloud using our Mac. Now let's close this and open our download folder and double click on alt data for Mac. Drag alt data to applications and it is installed. Now let's close this and search for alt data in our launchpad. Let's open it. Open. Now we can use this to repair some bugs on our iPhone, and we can also use it to back up and recover data on our iPhone as well. Now we're going to click on recover data from iCloud and then sign in with your iCloud details and then verify with your code. And we are logged in. Now from here we can recover iCloud Drive, photos, contacts, notes, and so much more. So from here we can select all we want to recover. In my case, I don't want to recover the iCloud Drive. I want to recover photos, contacts, and my notes. So let's click on scan. And from here you can see all that is included in the recovery. So you can just navigate through it. If you don't want any, you can unselect it. I'm just going to select the notes, contact, and photos and then recover to Mac, and it is done. It's as easy as this. Now we click on OK, and from here you can see notes, photos, and contacts as well. So basically this is how to recover data on your iCloud using alt data. Now there are many other amazing features on this app. So let's head back to our homepage, and from here we can also recover lost data from your iPhone or iPad. So we can click on get started, and this would require you to connect your phone to your Mac. So let's do that. Now once you connect your phone, you're going to see device connected. In my case, this is iPhone 12 Pro, and from here you can select the type of data you want to recover. Now what I want to recover is photos and videos, so I'm going to unselect the rest of them. You can manually select whatever you want here. So I'm selecting photos and videos, and I'm going to click on scan, and it should start analyzing my device and fetching these photos and videos. So from here you should be able to see all the files that were recovered. We have 697 photos and 109 videos. Here we can select all and then click on recover to Mac. Now to recover, you need to go with the Pro edition. With the free edition you only get to recover the preview, but with the Pro edition you get full access. Now there is a 1-month license for $55.95, and there is a 1-year license for $69.95, and there is a lifetime license for $79.95, which is what I would recommend, because the monthly plan and the lifetime license, the difference is only about $24-25. So I would recommend you go with the lifetime license for $79. I already have the license for this, so I'm just going to use my license. I'll provide this link in the video description as well. So after purchasing a license, click on this key icon right here. From here you can enter your email and the license key. So let's do that. And then register. And we've successfully activated the license, which is valid for a year. Okay. And then you can select the photos or videos you want to recover, and then click on recover to Mac. And that's all. Now the folder would automatically pop up, and from here you can see photos and all the photos that you just recovered. So this should help you recover deleted photos from your iCloud. Alongside restoring data, you can also back up data from your iPhone. For example, you're switching from one iPhone to another. You can simply go to iPhone data and then select data backup and get started. From here you can select the data you want to back up. You can back up your photos, your videos, your messages, your WhatsApp, and so much more. So you can just select all the apps you want to back up from one iPhone and scan. And then after successful backup, you can restore the backup to another iPhone. You can explore all of these tools for free. There is also a specialized section for moving social media accounts. So if you're trying to move your WhatsApp or other chatting apps from one iPhone to another, this should be able to help you do that. You can also repair iPhone bugs by going to the system repair. Maybe you were running a software update and you accidentally turned off your phone and now you're stuck on the Apple logo. You can simply use this to fix that by clicking on get started, and then we can select the standard repair and start repair. You can do all of this and more using Alt data. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.